Hi you guys, Nikki and Lindsay here, back with another video. Everyone, Nikki and Lindsay here, back with another video. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you'll be notified on when your girl here posts a new video. If you're an old faithful subscriber, thank you for coming back and checking out your girl. I am bringing you guys this bright tropical color halo eye. Listen, I don't remember the last time your girl did a halo eye, but she turned out pretty cute. So if you want to, see how your girl got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I absolutely love this primer, so I just went ahead and put that all over my eye, all the way blending into my concealer that I used for my brow bone. So I went ahead and zoomed in a little bit so y'all can see a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and take my matte book by the crayon case. I use this all the time because it has so many colors in it. And take this rich like an indigo blue, this blue right here, and I'm going to pat that onto my outer portion of the eye. Take this dark green color right here and put it on my inner portion of the eye. I'm just gonna pat it right in the inner, like that. And I'm gonna bring this color all the way into my inner eye space, like that. Still into the crayon case palette. I'm telling you, I use this palette for everything. I'm gonna go in with this light blue shade up top right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the dark blue with this color. I'm keeping it very low as I blend because I don't want it going all the way to my brow bone, because I want a lighter shade I want to put there. So I'm keeping it as low as possible. With this lime green color right here, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the darker green. Now finally, for my last transitional shade, I'm gonna go in with the crayon case, y'all, with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this bright yellow shade right here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition for all of the shades. And I'm just taking that color and pressing it into the edges. So you see that? It's coming out nice. Now I'm just gonna go back with all the colors and just deepen everything up. I'm gonna go ahead and start with that blue shade. Just build that color back up. Do the same thing. Literally just taking and blending out all those colors. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut where I want my halo to be, which is right in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Garnier Fructis micellar water, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wet that with a Q-tip. So you want this to be right in the middle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look straight ahead. I'm gonna do it a little bit high. So I'm gonna take the Q-tip and just swipe. You want it right in the middle. Real nice. So this is what we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my other one. We're pretty good. I know I look crazy, but this is a halo, y'all. I think I'm good. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that area in with a mixture of my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer and my concealers that I use to clean up my brows, which is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer and the Too Faced Bold and Sway Concealer. And it kind of curves a little bit, so it's good. And I'm just gonna go ahead. And then what I'm gonna do is take a Q-tip and just rub in the edges of that eyeshadow into the base. Okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm going in with my Makeup by Yolanda Jamrock palette. And I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Vibes, which is a very, very, very light green. Looks like this. And I'm gonna place that onto my inner portion of the eye next to the deep green. So this is what we have. Next, I'm gonna go back in with the Jamrock palette, and I'm taking this blue shade, baby blue shade in the shade Colors, and I'm gonna put that on the outer portion of my eye. Like that. Making sure I blend it into that deep blue color. And I wanna blend those two colors together. There we go. So this is what we have thus far. I'm really feeling how it is coming out. I just want to keep deepening this outer blue color because I feel like I'm losing color because I keep blending so much. So I'm just Kate's Watch Me blush palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Old Banana, which looks like this, and I'm just gonna put that on the center of my eye. Very, very thin line, and I'm going to use my crayon case liner in Sharp Me. Like I said, very thin, nothing crazy. Primer, I'm going to go ahead and use my Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. This is a smoothing primer. Don't mind me, I'm making a TikTok too while I film this for y'all, so doing these two. This is the Lancome Tight Eyeball Ultra Wear in the Fenty Pro Matte Filter in 450 and 540 Suede Warm. Like my under eye area, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. With the Makeup Forever, a little bit goes a long way with this concealer, so you don't want to do too much because you will crease up with it. Like literally, that's all I'm gonna do because a little bit goes a long way. And I'm gonna take this and just put it right under. And to blend all of that in, I'm gonna go ahead and take my beauty blender, but I'm gonna fan myself just to get it a little bit on the tacky side, because I like to blend my concealer in when it's tacky. Y'all like my fan? I got it from the dollar store. She's cute. Upset because my camera wasn't recording. Wow, I'm very upset, but I went ahead and set my under eye concealer. To set that, I used my Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder. I used two shades. I used the shade N and the shade Y. Y is a little bit more of like a terracotta color to me. This is what I use under my eyes, forehead, everything. And I dusted a little bit of N because it has like a banana shade to it. I just did N right here underneath my eyes for like a more brighter effect. So go ahead and take my Black Opal True Color Deluxe foundation stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this to contour. To go ahead and set my cream contour, I'm going in with the Watch Me blush palette. I'm gonna go ahead and take that Chalk Dust Y shade and just add a little bit underneath where I contoured, just to chisel my face up a little bit more, just a little bit. I'm going in with my Lancome Dual Finish Powder. This is in the shade 540, so it matches the foundation. I love this stuff. I'm just gonna place that and set my whole face. So I literally go over everything. Just set. Next, to highlight my face, I'm gonna go in with my Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter. This is the bomb. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face with this. For lips, I am going to do something a little bit on the bold side, kinda. I'm gonna take my Sephora lip liner pencil in the shade Molasses. The Crayon Case liquid lipstick in the shade Pablo, which is a yellow, and I'm gonna apply that to my lips. I'm going to take my clear Tokyo Dipping Sauce gloss and just finish off the lips with this. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think down below. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'm going to link my previous video in the cards right here. Follow all my social media sites. They'll be listed down below in the description box as always. And let me know what videos you guys want to see. Let me know. Leave them down below in the comments. Until next time.